In this video, we'll be going over the Allow Cart Add-ons feature. What this feature does is it allows customers who ordered a package to increase the quantity of the meals in their package for an added cost. I'll walk you through how all of this works now. So firstly, I'm going to open up a package that I created earlier. This is a selectable package, but this will also work with preset packages as well. Down on the bottom of the package page, first I'll just click Allow Cart Add-ons. Next, I'll move over to the Items tab. And again, this will work even if we click Set Meals as if this was a preset item, or if we come over here to Selectable Items. So I'll come to this Choose Your Lunch component, and we'll come to Set Meals. And I'll sort this to show only the meals that are included to make this easier. So I could see here that the individual price for each meal is appearing here. Now this is going to first show the default price of these meals, but considering this is a package, maybe we want to offer a slight discount. So maybe we want to bring this down to $5, this down to $8, so on and so forth. Now we'll simply back out and save this package. So I'm on the menu as a customer now, and I'll go ahead and pull up that selectable package for the 5-meal size that we were looking at. And I'll go ahead and I'll make some selections. Now that this package is in the cart, you'll notice we have these little plus icons next to each meal. So if I was to click plus, that will add another item for the breakfast burrito to the package, and it'll increase the package cost. And I could do the same for fit omelet, Cajun salmon, chicken Alfredo. So essentially we're setting these individual item costs in our package, and that's enabling the customer to be able to increase those quantities within their package. Please note that this adding and minusing only works on the customer side. For you as the admin, you still have the control to add meals for free and then adjust the total package price if needed.